you're experiencing audio desync issues in FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. This guide will help you identify and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in FIFA 24 are configured correctly. Go to the Game Settings menu, navigate to the Audio section, and verify that all options are set to your preferences. Sometimes, adjusting the audio mix or output device can resolve desync issues. Step 2. Update game and system. Make sure that both FIFA 24 and your gaming system, console, or PC are updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including audio desync. Check for updates and install them if available. Step 3. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting FIFA 24 can resolve temporary glitches. Close the game completely and then relaunch it. This can refresh the audio system and may fix any desync issues. Step 4. Check your audio hardware. Inspect your audio hardware, such as speakers or headphones, to ensure they are functioning properly. Try using a different audio output device to see if the problem persists. Faulty hardware can sometimes cause audio desync. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling FIFA 24. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the audio desync. Make sure to back up your game data before proceeding with the reinstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any audio desync issues in FIFA 24. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.